Hello student. So let's start with 5th standard environmental studies. Students, we will see chapter number 13 or shelter so high. So in the beginning of the lesson we have seen children about Gaurojani and Lonar, and Gaurojani travelled from Mumbai to Delhi through Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Rajasthan, and then he reached Delhi. Over there we have seen in this lesson children that within 3 days means Gaurojani and Lonar covered the distance. 1400 kilometer distance they covered in 3 days. We have seen that. After that, Gaurav started his journey, Gaurojani, and we will see what has happened next. Now, after that, Gaurojani, within 2 days, he went to Manali. Over there, the clean air was there, and after that, he have to travel through difficult roads and the states of Jammu and Kashmir to reach Leh in Ladakh. And we have seen Gaurojani put up a tent also. The night was very cold. After that he woke up and he saw the sunrise over there. This is the route from Mumbai, then Vadodara, Surat, that is Gujarat, then Kota, that is Rajasthan, and then after that New Delhi, and after that he has started journey. He went to Manali, and after that Leh in Ladakh. Now after that we have seen children that Gaurojani went Lonar and Gaurojani, they reached to Leh. Over there cold desert was there. We have seen all these things in the previous video. So there was a high and dry and flat ground was there, and that is called a cold desert, and rainfall is also very less over there. So here there are high snow-capped mountains and cold and flat grounds are there. Now here in Leh he found that very quiet street with a beautiful white houses were there. See the different types of houses Gaurojani has noticed in Mumbai, then in Delhi, then now we are watching it in Ladakh, which is in Leh. So white houses were there, and some children were running behind him and they were saying Jule Jule, means in their language they were welcoming that Gaurojani. After that, now we are coming towards next topic, that is what has happened with Gaurojani, and he went to Tashi's house. So we will see the next topic now. So Tashi dragged me to his house. So Tashi took away that Gaurojani to his house, and it was a building with 2 floors. The house was made of stones which were kept one over the other. And the walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. It is white in color. So the house looked like a shed from inside with a lot of hay stored there. So then with the help of wooden steps they reached on the floor, first floor. So Tashi was saying, this is where we stay. Explain that Tashi. Now the ground floor is for our animals and for storing necessary things. Means on the ground floor animals were living, and some necessary things they used to keep over there. Sometimes when it gets too cold, we also move downstairs. When it was cold, they were coming down also to live over there. So Gaurojani noticed that the ground floor had no windows. Thick tree trunks were used to make the roof strong. Thick trunks were used. Tree trunks were used to make the roof very strong. And Tashi then took Gaurojani to the roof of the house, on the roof. So what a view! So that Gaurojani was watching all flats of roofs of all around. And on some red chilies were there, means on some roofs red chilies were there, and then laid orange pumpkins and golden yellow corn. So they were using it to dry over there on the roof. And some had stalks of paddy, and on some cow dung cakes were laid out to dry. They were keeping it on the roof for drying purpose. So this is the most important part of house, said Tashi. And during summer season, we dry many fruits and vegetables. During summer season only they are keeping it dry, all the fruits and vegetables. Why they were used to do like that? So we store them for winters when we do not get fresh fruits and vegetables. When they are not getting fresh fruits and vegetables at that time, they used to use that dry articles or items. Now as I stood there with Tashi, I could see how every part of the house was built specially to suit the needs of his people. Means according to people's convenience and need, usually the houses are of different type. According to climate and living style. Now I could understand how the thick walls, a wooden floor and a wooden ceiling protected them from the cold. Means the purpose was that they have to protect themselves from cold. So that's why the house were prepared in that way. So according to climate and situation and conditions, need, houses are of different types. Now people living on the top of the world, means on higher altitude. So we will see about that now. So now was the time to climb higher. Loner had a tough time because the roads were very rocky. Mountains were there. So at many places there were no roads at all. So at many places there were no roads, and I was moving towards the rocky plains of Changtang. He was passing by through Changtang. This place is at a height of almost 5,000 meters. That place is 5,000 meters high. So it is so high that it is difficult to breathe normally. Why it is difficult to breathe? Because as you are going up higher, the oxygen level decreases and you are feeling difficult to breathe out and you are feeling uncomfortable. So I had a headache. His head was paining, headache was there and felt weak. Then I slowly got used to breathing in such air. Then for many days we kept wandering in this area with not a single human being in sight. Means he was just traveling, no petrol pumps, no mechanics, and only clear blue sky and many beautiful lakes around. So just like that he was traveling. Now many days and nights passed. Loner and I kept moving ahead. Means Gorojani and that loner was moving ahead, continued their journey. Suddenly one morning I saw before me flat grassy land. Now he saw some flat grassy land. Many sheep and goats were grazing there. And far in this distance I saw some tents also. So he saw some tents, some sheep and goats were grazing over there. So I wondered who lived there and what they were doing in this far out places. Who is living over there at this very far place? Now we will see about that particular tribe. So there I met Namgyal and came to know about the Changpas. Changpas means what, children? Now, so Changpas is a tribe, special type, means people are living together, means a tribe living on the mountain. The Changpa tribe has only about 5,000 people. The Changpas are always on the move with their goats and sheep. It is from this that they get all that they need. Means whatever they need, that milk, then meat, then skin and tent and wool for coats and sweaters. Everything they used to get from that goats and sheep. So if a family has more animals, it is considered more rich and means that that particular person is rich. They used to consider that person is rich and important. So from this special goats they get wool for making world famous Pashmina wool. And the Changpa graze their goats at higher and colder places. Why they used to live over there at so cold place? Because The Changpa graze their goats at higher and colder places so that the goats have more and softer hair. For that purpose, they used to live over there. So, they stay high up on these mountains in very difficult conditions because that is where these goats can live. That climate is suitable for that goats, and as you have seen that the means more softer hair they can get from that particular type of goats. So that's why they used to live over there, and this is their life and their livelihood. So I was carrying, Gaurojani was carrying very little of belongings on the motorcycle. As usually when we are traveling, we usually prefer to take very less things along with us. But see that people, children, but the Changpa carry everything that they own on their horses and yaks. It takes them only 2.5 hours to pack everything and move ahead. And within within no time they put up their tents at the chosen place. They are having habit to put up a tent, take out that tent, pack up the things, unpack the things. Within very less time they used to do all these things because their life is like that only. They are becoming habitual of all these things. Within no time they put up their tents at the chosen place, the luggage is unpacked and their homes are ready. So you are most welcome into our home, said Namgyal. Namgyal was belonging to that tribe only, that Changpas, and as led me to the big cone shaped tent. They call their tent as a rebo. That cone shaped tent is called rebo. So you should know note down all these things, that cone shaped tent is called rebo in their language. So yak hair is woven to make strips which are stitched together, and these are strong and warm and protect them from the icy strong winds. I saw that the strips were tightly tied with 9 sticks. That strips were tightly tied with 9 sticks, and the ground is dug about 2 feet deep. The tent is then put up around this on the higher part of the ground, and in this way they used to put up their tent also. So children, here in this today's video we have seen about a cold desert. After that we have seen in Leh which type of houses are there, how they have constructed their houses according to their need. After that we have seen a tribe, that is the Changpas, and how they are living over there. That ships and goats were living, means about that ships and goats were giving a softer hair fur because of that cold atmosphere only, and that Changpa community, or that ships and goats live stay high up on the mountains in very difficult conditions because that goats can live in that condition only. So in this way their livelihood is there, and we have seen how they used to put up their tent. So in this way we have seen in this video about Changpa community, means Changpas and the ships and goats, and we have seen about cold desert also, and the types of houses in Leh. So students, you have to read lesson very carefully. Read the lesson 2, 3, 4 times, and please find out the meanings of hard words, difficult words from the dictionary, and note it down in your textbook only with a pencil. Thank you for watching video, and the remaining points we will see in the coming video. Thank you.